This is Rod Kusin, Spooman for Risk on Thursday, November 11th, 2010. All times on the chart are Central Standard Times, and today this video is focusing on the pivot strategy. Our pivot strategy settings do not change during the day. Here they are, and in this case we're using an overbought, oversold zone of 20 and 80 on an SPC 3 and an SPC 10. Here are the results. We have our initial long trades coming out of the low of the day just shortly after the open. These hit our profit target of 8 ticks. As we moved into the high, we had short trades. They also hit their profit target. Another long trade here. It too hit its profit target. Into noon, or pardon me, 11 o'clock, we began to have some short trades again. And then towards the middle of the day, we started getting just a ton of short trades. Now, we probably would have allowed ourselves to get out of some of these, but just allowing this to do its thing, ultimately the market tanked and all of these made their profit target. Now, we can mitigate some of these trades by way of a few suggestions. One way to reduce the number of trades is by adding a volume filter. The volume filter that I personally like is the tick of the US exchange. That symbol is TIK-US. Now, there were practically 50 trades that took place between this point and this point. If, on the other hand, we would have added the tick of the US, here would have been the results. Half the number of trades. Now, we can further improve the accuracy of those trades by adding, or pardon me, by redesigning the overbought and the oversold zone and limiting this to, say, 10 and 90 rather than 20 and 80. Now, here's the exact same setting using a 10 and 90 approach. Same pivot strategy, just reduce the overbought, oversold zones to 10 and 90. And instead of 50 trades, we wind up with only 20 trades, but they're much more specific. So here it is once again. Overbought, oversold zones of 20 and 80. Without the volume filter, we get about 50 trades. Now, that's a lot. No two ways about that. That's a lot of trades. Here's the equity curve. Not bad. Let's look at the other option. Much fewer trades. $24. And then once again, same period, same situation, and a total of 30 trades on that particular setting, but much fewer trades right in here. So there's a variety of different ways to limit the number of trades that you may wind up having. So that's our video for today, using the pivot strategy. I may just also add one other thing. Let's just talk about the accuracy of our retracements. Here's the end of the day. There are no outstanding retracements. Our retracements were 100% accurate today. Not bad. And there they are. Here's all of our retracements. There we go. So we invite you to come to our website and peruse it, look at what we're doing, call us and ask for a demo. This is a great system, and it's easy, and it's simple, and it's accurate. And this is Rod Kusin and Spooman for Risk.